Hey, so I am here today at Three Rivers Racing. It's like this indoor go-kart place. I've been invited to come to their media event. It looks actually it's gonna be pretty fun, a little bit different than my normal content because I'm mostly theme parks and roller coasters, but I don't know, go-karting, some similarities there. It should be pretty fun. I'm pretty excited to check this out. So let's go see what we can do. I got my GoPro with me, so hopefully get some cool video and we'll see how it goes. All right, check this place out. This actually looks pretty cool.
First off, just want to thank everybody for coming out. This event primarily was for our top 40 and pro skill points. If you don't know what that is, you keep track of points as people race here. And then at the end of the year, we took the top 40 of them, we brought them here. Do the work, you kind of get a little more consistent on the swim rate, it's going to be a little bit better.
Okay. There we go. So they're opening up their new kitchen here September 1st, and they're just kind of letting us sample some of the food. All right, so they have this board of the racetrack, which is actually very helpful. My first time out, I was just kind of going by feel of where I'm supposed to do. So this really gives you a good idea where to brake, how to hit some of the turns. So I'm going to use that in my next race here in just a couple minutes. Three Rivers Racing. Yeah, it was actually really fun. I'm really glad they invited us. The go-kart racing, it was awesome. I just had a blast doing that. I did 3 races, definitely kept improving my time, so that was pretty cool. But yeah, they have the arcade, the axe throwing. Honestly, there's a lot here to do. Makes a great evening, like kind of like a nice date night. Definitely fun time. So I would recommend coming to this place, especially for an evening or not. It's loads of fun. So yeah, 2 thumbs up for Three Rivers Racing.